Okay, I really, really, really underestimated this one. The base 120 equivalent of 144000, aka 1,728,000 times 14,884. I just have a few of the answers right there, but basically, I showed that right, the sort of method where you do like sort of like Indian style method where you do 4 times 0 and then you do 4 times 0 plus 8 times 0 and then you do 0 times 4 times 8 times 0. But see, the problem with what I had last time is I took this, I did this all wrong. I even have the wrong number here that's supposed to be this number. No wonder I was so fucked up. But not only was I fucked up on that, I was fucked up here too because, you know, this ratio is wrong. This would have to be, in order to get a proper ratio on this, it would have to at least be 17820. Then I can cut away these zeros, right, and add them. And then I can start by doing, you know, this and this and this and this and blah, blah, blah. This is much bigger than I thought it was. And just to give you an idea of just how big this is, first you have to cross these two and you get 0. Then you got to cross these, right? You got to do these two, then you got to cross these two, then you have to cross all 3 of them and do, and you multiply this by this, this by this, this by this, add them all together, it equals 0. And then you do the next one, right, where you focus on this amount, and it equals 32, right? The 3 is got to be carried over to this, right? When you do all this, you get the answer 72 plus 3, which equals 50, which equals 75. And yeah, I just did not give this the proper chance. In fact, in this video here, the proper answer for, you know, the number I got, which was 144, a Galvin, right? This is what it is, okay? It's 25,719,552,000. And no, I'm not saying that that's what the 144,000 is necessarily. The 144,000 is based on base 10 numerology, in which you would add the 1, the 4, the 1 and the 2 4s, which equals 9, and then you have the zeros at the end, which gives you the 144,000. But in this, it would have to be, you know, it would have to be different. It'd have to be this big, larger number here, which is closer to how many people would probably be saved nowadays. But that's not what it really means. What it means is the number of human consciousness. But as far as the path of yoga is concerned, this is a little bit closer to how many people you'd have. I am very sorry that I fucked this up so badly. I decided, you know, maybe here's another number I did. I decided maybe this should be the number for 30. Let's just say we was going to do 31. We do this and that. Actually, that's not right. It would be this with a circle, and you go down, then downward. 39, on the other hand, you do that. 9 is basically, I've decided to make 9 to make it a little bit different than 5. I've decided to do it that way. That way it's a little bit different than 5, because 5 goes around this way, and you might mistake a 9 for a bad 5, even though that's not what it is. And 4, I still think maybe is going to be like that. And if you notice, it's a lot like it's 1's counterpart here. And I just wanted to make that video to clear these things up. Very sorry for messing this up and making such an ass out of myself again.